Top 3 websites for a content creator. Number 3. Eraser.dwave.cc/studio. Upload your files to get the best denoised quality in MP3 format. You can listen to separate audio online and download the required vocal or denoised files. Number 2. www.cleanpng.com. In this website you can download thousands of clean PNG pictures and use it in your projects for absolutely free. Number 1. www.media.io. Refine your media files smartly with AI, a collection of portable online AI tools. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Thanks.